The Ryzen 5 gives the A15 a clear processing advantage. The A15 7nm architecture provides superior efficiency and power. With more cores and threads, the A15 is the stronger multitasker. The F15 pulls ahead with a higher max clock speed for single-core tasks. Both offer a solid 8 MB of L3 cache for quick data access. The A15's RTX 3050 delivers a massive leap in gaming performance. Ampere architecture gives the A15 next-gen ray tracing and DLSS capabilities. Faster GDDR6 memory gives the A15 an edge in loading graphics. The A15's faster RAM offers a slightly snappier system experience. It's a tie, with both sporting a standard 15.6-inch 1080p display. Both feature IPS-level panels, ensuring decent viewing angles. A draw here, as both deliver a smooth 144 Hz for competitive gaming. Color accuracy is identical, making this another tie. The A15's adaptive sync provides a smoother, tear-free gaming experience. Both models come equipped with fast NVMe storage for quick load times. Dual RAM slots on both machines allow for easy future memory upgrades. It's an even match, with both supporting up to 32 GB of RAM. The A15 wins on connectivity with 3 high-speed Type-A ports. The F15's Type-C port supports G-Sync for superior external monitor gaming. Both include an HDMI 2.0B port for connecting to external displays. It's a draw, as both retain the essential 3.5mm combo audio jack. Both offer a stable, wired connection with an integrated Ethernet port. An even match with Wi-Fi 6 on both for fast, low-latency wireless gaming. Both feature modern Bluetooth 5.2 for reliable accessory connection. Battery capacity is identical, resulting in a tie for unplugged runtime. The A15's more powerful 180-watt adapter ensures better performance under load. Portability is a draw, as both laptops weigh an identical 2.3 kilos. Dimensions are nearly the same, making this category a tie. A standard 720p HD webcam is included on both for basic video calls. The A15's AI noise-canceling mic provides clearer voice chat for gaming. The typing experience is a tie, with both featuring single-zone RGB keyboards.